Ever puzzled over how to create the ultimate chocolate peanut butter smoothie? This concoction is a delicious blend of indulgence and nutrition, a perfect balance that can be achieved in just a few easy steps. First up, gather your ingredients: a ripe banana, a scoop of your favorite chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of ice. Each of these ingredients play a crucial role in crafting this delightful smoothie. The ripe banana offers a natural sweetness that harmonizes perfectly with the rich, creamy peanut butter. Moreover, bananas are packed with fiber and potassium, promoting heart health and aiding digestion. Next, the chocolate protein powder is not merely a flavor enhancer. It's a power-packed addition, providing a substantial protein boost to your diet. It's perfect for muscle recovery after a workout, or simply for an energy lift during a busy day. As for the peanut butter, it's more than just a decadent treat. It's a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, contributing to satiety and overall well-being. The unsweetened almond milk adds a creamy texture without the guilt of extra sugar. It's also a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Lastly, the ice is there to give your smoothie a refreshing, chilled twist. Blend these ingredients together until smooth. Savor the aroma, the enticing blend of chocolate and peanut butter. Pour it, relish the creamy texture, and enjoy every sip. In summary, crafting the perfect chocolate peanut butter smoothie is a blend of choosing the right ingredients and understanding their nutritional value. It's about marrying taste and health, creating a drink that's both indulgent and nourishing. With a ripe banana, chocolate protein powder, creamy peanut butter, unsweetened almond milk, and ice, you have a smoothie that's delicious, refreshing, and undeniably good for you. So the next time you're in need of a quick pick-me-up, remember this recipe. It's more than just a drink. It's a creamy, chocolatey, peanut buttery experience. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe. And while you are at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.